English-Croatian, Ch.4 verses.
moći,
Funny mini lesson. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, you, ready for a can-do boost and a couple of laughs? This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we're mastering English, Ch and Croatian.
moći,
Power up your confidence and your pronunciation. Let's go. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll say Ch in Croatian like a pro. You'll learn the core verb
moći,
and its everyday forms.
mogu, možeš, on može, ona može, može, možemo, možete, oni mogu.
We'll keep it light, quick, and memorable. Forms at a glance. Chant these with me, short, sweet, and sticky. Can.
Moći,
Infinitive. I can.
mogu,
You can, singular.
možeš,
He can.
on može,
She can.
ona može,
It can.
može,
We can.
možemo,
You can, plural.
možete,
They can.
oni mogu.
Mini dialogue. Listen in, then echo the Croatian parts out loud. A. Can we start now? B. Yes, we can.
Možemo.
A. I can help later. B. Great. Say it.
Mogu.
Pomoći kazni. A. Can you, singular, do it? B. Sure.
Možeš.
Tu usaniti. A. He can fix it. B. Da.
On može.
Popraviti. A. She can drive. B. Naravno.
Ona može.
Voziti. A. It can wait. B.
Može.
Praiskati. A. You, plural, can enter now. B.
Možete.
You see sada. A. They can win. B.
Oni mogu.
Pobihediti. Drill time. Your turn. Repeat after me with punch and pride. I can equals.
Mogu.
Repeat.
Mogu.
You can, SG, equals.
Možeš.
Repeat.
Možeš.
He can equals.
On može.
Repeat.
On može.
She can equals.
Ona može.
Repeat.
Ona može.
It can equals.
Može.
Repeat.
Može.
We can equals.
Možemo.
Repeat.
Možemo.
You can, place, equals.
Možete.
Repeat.
Možete.
They can equals.
Oni mogu.
Repeat.
Oni mogu.
The base verb, can, equals.
Moći.
Repeat.
Moći.
Culture tip. Mož. Here's a native nugget you'll hear everywhere. Croatians often say,
Može.
to mean, sure, or, okay, can do. So when someone asks, coffee at 5, you can answer,
Može.
and instantly sound local. Lightning quiz. Answer fast, then I'll reveal the Croatian. Q. How do you say, we can? A.
Možemo.
Q. I can. A.
Mogu.
Q. You can, singular. A.
Možeš.
Q. You can, plural. A.
Možete.
Q. He can. A.
On može.
Q. She can. A.
Ona može.
Q. It can. A.
Može.
Q. They can. A.
Oni mogu.
Q. The infinitive, can, in Croatian. A.
Moći.
Cheeky challenge. Time to flex. Build a tiny pep talk using as many forms as you can. Model. I can do this.
Mogu.
You can help.
Možeš.
We can finish.
Možemo.
You, all, can celebrate.
Možete.
They can relax.
Oni mogu.
Even the plan can change.
Može.
Why? Because the verb, can, is.
Moći.
Exclamation mark quote. Now your turn. Say your own version out loud. Go. Goodbye and keep going. You did great. High five from Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Practice these forms today.
Mogu. Možeš. On može. Ona može. Može. Možemo. Možete. Oni mogu.
And the base.
Moći.
For more lessons, transcripts, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, and remember.
Može.
Quote.